Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Cameo with friends on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open Snapchat and go to Chats and select any friend. You will see a smiley icon next to the chat box and tap on it. At the bottom, you will find various options. Tap the third icon to access cameos. Choose any cameo from the selection and you will be prompted to take a selfie. After taking the photo, select male or female to customize it, and Snapchat will create your cameo in a moment. Once it's done, your cameo is ready to use, and you can start sending it to your friends for some fun. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.